So we're going to show you how to make the perfect coffee with our new setup. First of all, there's the coffee grinder. The default option is this one. This is for 1 cup of espresso. If you press the button once, it will show you 5 seconds. That's the time it grinds coffee. That is for 2 coffee. And if you press once more, you get as much ground coffee beans as long as you hold the cup underneath. But that's nothing we normally use. So this is the default setting for 1 coffee. Now, next step, obviously grind. Just keep it there until it's finished. Press firmly with this stick here. And now, before you put the coffee under it, let some steam go out and hot water. And now, very important, let the coffee machine run for exactly 25 seconds or as close to it as you can. This will give you the perfect taste. So always wear a watch when you make coffee. And there you go. Perfect espresso made in the Mangolia lounge.